So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can make text dance with the music in Adobe After Effects. So here I am in Adobe After Effects 2025. So I am just going to create a new composition, and I have download a music uh, and a picture. I am going to put all these assets download link in the description as well. So I am just going to bring that audio and picture inside the composition that we created, and make sure composition scale fit to the composition. I make this composition 1920 by 1080. So I am just going to add a text uh, dance, and I am going to align it to the center of the composition by going in align and align it to the center. So now I am going to add a drop shadow by right clicking on the text layer layer style, drop shadow, and increase the value of the shadow little bit, size so text is more visible. So now the task is to convert this audio waves into keyframe. To do that, we need to go right click by selecting this layer, right click, keyframe systems, audio, convert audio to keyframe. And what it does, if I press U, it create a new layer, audio amplitude, left channel, right channel, and both channel. We don't need left and right channel, so click this, so it remove all the keyframe. It make the After Effects file less complicated. So we need to make this dance attach with this slider. So to do that, first I need to make sure the anchor point of the text should be in the center. I am going to select that pan behind tool and drag the anchor point of the text layer inside the center. So now I am going to the text transform properties and scale, and parent the scale with the slider of the amplitude. And what it does, if you zoom in fit, you can see that it linked, but it goes very small in size. So I am going to do make it its original size. So I am going to click on this slider. I will see some expression. I am going to add plus sign and copy that temp and brackets and paste it after putting space, and instead of temp I put 100 to 100. And now if I play, you see I have just linked the text with the audio. So there is one more thing we can do. If you think it is fine, you can leave this tutorial there, but there is one more property we can add. Hold down alt or option in the Mac and click on this both channel slider in amplitude and put the expression is left bracket, small left bracket, and small right bracket, value comma 0 comma 50 comma 0 comma 30. And let me explain you what it does. From 0, first 0 and first two words 0 to 50, it's mean its value. If I select this both channel, all the keyframe by selecting, clicking on this slider and go to the both channel and make it more visible by dragging this slider of After Effects, you can see that it has all keyframes of that slider has certain value. So if I put 50, it's mean that it only pick from 0 to 50, 0 to 50. And this one is for scale 0 to 30, mean its scale goes from 0 to 30%. If I put it like 60 instead of 50, it will pick the value from 0 to 50, and whenever keyframe is between 0 to 60, it will make that animate and the maximum height goes to 0 to 40 30. And if I play it, you can see it now. That's how you can make a simple smooth da- dance animation tech of text in Adobe After Effects. Thanks for watching. If you like that, hit the subscribe button of my YouTube channel.